Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for joining me today. Today I'm participating in a super sponsor hop for Kendra's card challenge, and the super sponsor that I am working with for the month of September is Whimsy Stamps. And Kendra's card challenge is a challenge where you create 15 cards with six 6x6 sheets of paper. I will go ahead and leave links to where you can find out how to participate and join. But every quarter there are some prizes given away. So basically what you're going to do is create your cards and submit them in the KCC Facebook group, and then you will be eligible to win some fabulous prizes. And so these are the products that I will be using this month for my cards. There are 15 cards that I will create, but I am just going to share with you one card today, as will all of the other design team members. And so I'll leave links to the products that I used in the description below as well. There's also a giveaway for this hop for a free digital from Kendra, and I will leave a link to where you can sign up to go ahead and participate. But the papers I'm using this month I love them. I absolutely love them. They're called Scribble Doodle Critters, really beautiful, single-sided, which I haven't done before, but I love them so much that I just went ahead and got them. And I'm also going to go ahead and show you how I choose which papers for which sketches. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I wanted to show real quick kind of how I pick out what paper goes to which design. So first I look at this right here, and then I look at the card sketches, and you can see the main card sketches that are using A and B are 1, 2, and 3. The rest of them have maybe some little parts, but for the most part, these three are going to be the main sketches that are using these two papers. And so what I'll do is I'll grab my papers, and I'm just going to look at them and kind of see, like, these two look really pretty together. I might have to switch this one out because I don't know that I have anything in here that is going to go well with, but we'll see. We'll figure that out. So I think for A and B, I'm going to go ahead and use these two. I think they look really gorgeous together. And so I'll go ahead and I'll just pick this up, and we will put this aside. And then I'm going to look at sketches C and D, cut files C and D, and then I'm going to look and see. So this sketch right here, number 4, has got a pretty decent size of C on it. And then the rest are pretty small pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a paper with this sketch in mind, just because it's got, so I think probably the best option for this is going to be this piece of paper, only because I don't have another paper that matches perfectly with it. So I'm going to go ahead and say for C, we're going to use that. And then for D, I'll go ahead and see which sketches have a lot of pink on them. And really, we don't have a lot. Most of them are kind of just bits and pieces. And so I'm not going to worry too much about what is going to go right here. But I'm going to look at these and see. I think these two go together better. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put C and D are going to be these two pieces of paper. And then we'll look at E and F. And again, these are kind of just, we've got little pieces here and there. But then we do have kind of this big piece and this big piece right here that's got a lot of the orange and green, and this has got a lot of orange and green, and then the rest are kind of pretty much just little pieces. And so I don't know, I don't think it matters really, but these two are going to go together And then once I start making my cuts, I'll go ahead and do that. So this runs through September 30th. So you can see it's the last month to enter into this challenge and fit it. So I've got my papers, and I'll go ahead and leave the sketch in the corner so you can see what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and add this paper. This is a piece of pattern paper that is extra that I threw in. For all of the mats, you can choose really whatever paper you want, even if it's pattern paper from the same set you're already using. And then I'm going to go ahead, and I've already adhered these pieces, and that's going to go right there. And then I'm going to use this from Jenlee Stamps. I actually bought this, I think, myself a while ago. And this is called Doodle Frames. And it comes with some matching dies. And so I went ahead and I'm using this one right here. And so it has a cutout. You can cut it out or not cut it out, but it's got a little frame. And then I'll probably pop this little piece up right here, and it says yay. And then I'm going to go ahead, and this is one of the products I bought with the gift card that I received. And this one is called Doggy Sketches. And so I'm going to be using this doggy right here. But it's a really cute stamp set, and it goes perfectly with these really pretty papers. And so I've gone ahead and I've colored that up, and I'm just going to sit him right there. And that's going to finish off my card for today. You can go ahead and check out the description to find the next participant in the hop. If you like this video or found it informative, I would love a thumbs up. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope to catch you next time.